Let me start this lesson with an honest truth. Most traders don't lose money scalping gold because gold is difficult. They lose money because they don't understand how to use their indicators correctly. They keep changing settings, mixing strategies, and expecting one indicator to do everything. This creates confusion, inconsistency, and emotional trading. Today, I will show you a clean, simple, and rule-based strategy to scalp gold using RSI and Bollinger Bands. By the end of this lesson, you will know exactly how to scalp gold with confidence. If you are a beginner or you want clarity instead of confusion, stay with me until the end. Time frame, where this strategy works best. This strategy works best on the 1-minute time frame or the 5-minute time frame. This is a scalping strategy, not a day trading and not swing trading. For beginners, I strongly recommend the 5-minute time frame. It's slower, cleaner, and much easier to read. Indicators used in this strategy. We use only 2 indicators, RSI and Bollinger Bands. Each indicator has a clear role. RSI tells us direction and market bias. Bollinger Bands helps us with timing. RSI answers the question, should I buy or sell? Bollinger Bands answer the question, is that a good moment to enter? When these tools work together, our trades become clean and controlled. Adding RSI to the chart. Let's add the first indicator, RSI. Go to the Indicators section, search for RSI, and add it to the chart. Open the settings and set the period to 8. A shorter period reacts faster to gold's movements, which is ideal for scalping. Set the source to HLC3. The reason is fully explained in the video about RSI settings for gold scalping. If you haven't watched that video yet, I highly recommend you do. The link is in the description. Now go to the section. Change the color of the RSI line to make it more visible on the chart. Now pay attention to an important point. In this strategy, we don't use RSI for overbought or oversold conditions. RSI is used as a trend filter. It helps us determine whether the trend is up, down, or ranging. For this purpose, we use 2 levels, 60 and 40. If RSI is above 60, the market is bullish, so we'll look only for buy trades. If RSI is below 40, the market is bearish. We'll look only for sell trades. If RSI is between 40 and 60, we do nothing. This is a no trade zone. Before we continue, if you are finding these tips helpful, go ahead and hit the like button. It really helps me make more content for you. Adding Bollinger Bands. Bollinger Bands show us price volatility. They are made of 3 lines. The upper band, the middle band, and the lower band. The middle band is a moving average and price naturally moves away from it and then comes back. This behavior is very important for gold. But here is the key lesson. We don't trade just because the price touches a band. This is one of the big mistakes beginners make. Now open the settings. For gold scalping, we use Bollinger Bands with a period of 20 and a deviation of 2 or 2.2. A slightly higher deviation works better for gold's volatility. But remember, Bollinger Bands are not entry signals by themselves. Just because price touches a band, it does not mean you should buy or sell. Buy setup, step by step. Let's go through the buy setup. First, RSI must be above 60. This tells us the market is bullish. Second, price moves down toward the lower Bollinger Band. It may touch it or slightly break it. We don't enter yet. Third, price comes back inside the Bollinger Band. This shows rejection of lower prices. Finally, we wait for a bullish confirmation candle to close. This could be a bullish engulfing candle or a pin bar. After the candle closes, we enter the buy trade. Sell setup, step by step. Now let's flip everything for sell trades. First, RSI must be below 40. This confirms bearish pressure. Second, price moves off toward the upper Bollinger Band. we don't enter immediately. Third, price comes back inside the band. Finally, we wait for a bearish confirmation candle. After it closes, we enter the sell trade. No guessing, no chasing price. Real market examples. Now let's look at a buy example. Here we have a gold chart on the 5-minute time frame. First, we check the RSI. RSI is above 60, which means the trend is bullish, so we only consider buy trades. Next, look at the Bollinger Bands. Notice how the price drops and touches the lower Bollinger Band. We don't enter yet. We wait for the price to come back inside the band. Once it happens, we wait for a confirmation candle. After this candle closes, we enter the buy trade. We place the stop loss just below the last swing low and the take profit at the band. Price moves up and touches the band. Trade closed. Clean, simple, no stress. Now let's see a sell example. Again, we start by looking at the RSI. RSI is below 40, which means the trend is bearish, so we only consider sell trades. Next, look at the Bollinger Bands. Notice how the price moves up and touches the upper Bollinger Band. We don't enter yet. We wait for the price to come back inside the band. Once it happens, we wait for a confirmation candle. After this bearish candle closes, we enter the sell trade. We set the stop loss just above the last swing high and the take profit at the band. Price moves down and touches our take profit perfectly. Clean, controlled, and simple. Common mistakes to avoid. This strategy works because each tool has a clear role. RSI controls the direction, Bollinger Bands control the timing, and price action confirms the entry. When we trade like this, we are not fighting the market. We are trading with the structure and discipline. However, there are a few things you should avoid to trade better. 1. Don't trade during major news events. 2. Don't trade when RSI is flat in the middle. And 3. Never enter a trade before the confirmation candle closes. Gold moves fast and it rewards patience and punishes impatience. Following these rules will help you stay consistent and reduce stress while scalping. Okay, that's it for today's lesson. Now you know how to use the RSI and Bollinger Bands combination to scalp gold. Practice this strategy on a demo account first. Consistency comes from repetition, not excitement. If you found this video helpful, like this video and subscribe for more practical trading lessons. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.